How to route your destination on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can route your destination on maps.me. The first step, launch the maps.me app on your Android or iOS device. Then the next step is to click on the route option at the bottom part of the screen, which is in between search and or you can just click on the search icon here. So by clicking on the search icon, the next step would be for you to enter in your desired location. Okay, so I'm just going to use an example here, which is finicky or all right. Just go ahead to type out the location, the place that you're heading to. So once you found the place, go ahead to select it amongst the options displayed, select the result among the search results displayed. And then once you have seen that, the next step is for you to click on the route to button also by the bottom part of the screen. And then the app will automatically use your current location as a starting point. And you can see the several route options displayed. You can see the option for car, you can see the option for walking, right, and the amount of time that it will take you. Then you also see the option for bicycle, that's for tricycle, for bus, and the amount of kilometers and time that it will take you. And then once you're ready, you can just go ahead to start the location by clicking on the navigation button by the right side of the screen. Just click on that and then you can start your destination. So the app will provide turn-by-turn directions to guide you to your destination. Once you click on start, the app will begin to direct you. Follow the directions and you'll be able to get to your destination. So this is basically it. This is how to route your destination on maps.me. If this video has helped you, ensure you leave a thumbs up and you subscribe to this channel in order to encourage us to do further helpful videos as this. Thanks for watching and have a good day.